Can you use a BX25 subcompact tractor to move oak logs to your sawmill instead of your big log hauling case tractor? Can it be done? I already spent. I had to lift up the other end, bring it out, and then I had to lift up this end and bring it out. So I already spent some 30 seconds on that log. So that doesn't count. But can I get that log to my sawmill with that little tractor? The little tractor can only pick up 500 or 600 pounds. And that log's probably over 2,000 for sure. But we're gonna get it, I bet. Well, I know we're gonna get it. I've done it. It. There's no picking it up for sure. But so you can see skid marks all through here where I drag a log with these forks through the yard. There's nothing under there, Bill. There's no rabbit. The rabbits are all under the pile. So, and there's the tracks back here that you're dragging that log through. You can't pick it up. I can't pick it up any higher than that. I have to even lower the arm lift on the mill because I can't pick it up to those. But I can get it to the sawmill. Now, I got the case tractor also, and it can do it. It can just pick them up. But it got stuck in here last time. It's still a little muddy. And this is 4-wheel drive, and I don't have to pick it. Uh-oh. Not gonna get up there again. See, it's still muddy. Still a little muddy and slick. Now, it's got that log off the ground, but now my ass end's off the ground. Look at that, I can't even turn the log. But I can get it there. It'll just get it off the ground. It's just riding on those forks. She'll go right to the mill. That's only an 8-footer. Or 9, hopefully 9. Because I need 8. Should have measured it first probably. But there it is, it's dropped off to the mill. We'll saw it up. So do I need a bobcat? Do I need a case tractor? Do I need a big forklift? No, I don't need it. Am I glad I have the case tractor? Absolutely. It's so much easier moving these logs around when you can just pick them up. But this will do it. It's probably not recommended by Kubota, I'm sure. Probably not recommended by anybody else, but it'll get them there. It will get your logs to the mill. Kubota BX25. So subcompact. There's like freaking, I don't even know if there's 19 horses under there. I think there's like 13 horse under there, but it'll get it. The hydraulics won't pick up 500 pounds, but it'll get that 2,000 pound log to my mill.